Saturday. The sun is shining, the rooster is crowing, the birds are chirping, sausage is about to go in the pan, and some scrambled eggs. Sausage, scrambled eggs, some toast, some sausage and eggs. I remember I worked with a lady, and when she would start running out of sausage in the mornings in the sausage trays, she would say, "I need some more sausage." She added an R in there. I don't know why, but she did. If I was the one cooking or anything over there, she'd be like, "I need more sausage, Fallon." Sausage. She also said lettuce instead of lettuce.
Down here in the South, we'll put a different letter in there.
Yeah, we add or take away.
It's like a wash tub.
Yeah, wash. Let me go wash my hands.
We might start leaving whole words out for long, folks. If we keep going like we're going down here in the South, it may be eye communication more than anything. I mean, this thing could get to the point where we actually do first and third base signals.
Right, Daddy. This is no joke. When the boss lady would come in some mornings at work and something would be like, maybe we would be out of something and we didn't want to tell her because she might get mad, you know? We wouldn't want to tell her. Yeah, we'd be doing signals to each other like, because we knew how to just substitute something and make it go. Yeah.
This is no.
Yeah, we would have signals.
Heck no.
We would have signals.
Don't say nothing. I mean, I could walk by and you could poke them 3 times in the tummy, and that might mean go get the sausage.
Sausage.
Go get the sausage. And when you get done, wash your hands.
I figured out I can do this little deal right here.
Sure, no break, no fall. Fallon's talking about stacking y'all up on the flour and sugar jars over here, and she's like, "I figured out I could do this." And I'm like, "Yeah, that's surely a no-break situation there." 2 days later, no. She does that when something breaks, and it's almost a sigh. It's one of those things where she almost, no. It's a 3 thing too. It's the 3. You do it in 3s whenever it's something. And then I look over, I'm like, "What is it, baby?" I broke my little pig. What was it?
My little bitty pig. My little bitty pig.
Oink oink. Right there.
The quarter cup one.
Heck no. No.
I didn't say that.
No, she didn't say that, but she did say,
I did say no.
No.
I kept it so I can glue it back together.
We're gonna get a moss archaeologist in here to see what we can do with this.
Yes, we got some pottery we need to
got some
put
pottery.
together.
We have pottery from, we're not sure. We just need to make sure we get this thing put back together. But we're gonna need an archaeologist over here.
I'm still waking up.
Natural sounds, folks.
Right.
Natural sounds.
I'm awake early in the mornings. It's kind of like if I get to laughing, it's kind of like late at night. It's over. I can't quit laughing then.
Folks, I'm gonna tell y'all something that happened to me a few weeks ago, and I'm not used to this. You know, I'm not used to talking to somebody that I really don't know at all on the telephone. The guy that I bought these bricks from was a very nice man. He was an older gentleman. After I talked to him a few times on the phone, I called him one day and he was like, "Oh, yeah." He called me Boo Boo. Folks, I was referred to as Boo Boo. I was like, Boo Boo? Now, I've never been called Boo Boo before. Probably blackberry. I love that blackberry.
Yeah, this is good. We're almost out. We gotta get some more.
Where'd you buy that?
Ingles.
Oh, well, that ain't no problem. Yeah, like it was a store far away. Like the Land of Oz or something.
I gotta go back there one day.
We gotta get back over there sometime. Click some feet. Let's go. No place like home. Blackberry jelly.
I hear Minnie Mac. Hey, Minnie Mac. I made you some sausage for you.
before, but we're gonna revisit here. There's a few
Pappy's.
other
Pappy's Village.
A few other stores that's open today that was not open last time. So we're gonna go in here and look around.
Here's Pappy's Country Store. That's pretty. Marshmallow sticks.
Puzzle here.
I am bear. We actually. I think we have the bear one. Do we have the bear one?
I don't know.
We don't have that.
The wolf.
We don't have the wolf, and we don't have the cub or the rooster. Welcome to our coop. That will look good on my chicken's porch.
Okay.
All of the jellies, I think, are all right here. They got apple, pear preserves.
Blackberry. Here it is.
Blackberry preserves right there.
That's big for my biscuit. Give one for you.
So that was the country store.
That's Pappy's Country Store.
Mm-hmm. Now we're going to Pappy's Fudge Shop.
Yeah.
And
that's actually a good little store right there.
Yeah, I
Y'all,
like
if you're
that
up
store.
in this area, stop in there and visit with them.
Now this is Smoky Bones. It's not open. No, we don't know what that was.
Well, that is.
Is it? I'm not sure. Are you sure? You don't know around here. You just don't know. Is it just a place to look? I'm telling y'all, you don't know here because it's, you know, it's just a little different. It's like, for real, Pappy's own little village. You don't know what's open and what's not. He went in there. Phew, he's coming out. What's it like?
Expensive.
We'll go to the fudge shop. Fudge and gifts right here. Head games. Oh, do you remember these? We used to draw with the little hair on people and stuff.
Yeah.
There will be a $5 charge for whining. I think this is like for a pot, right? To sit out and put a pot on.
What about a horse? We know what those are.
Oh, what about the cow with the red barn?
Okay.
That's cute. We got these for casserole dish.
You want that?
Yeah, it's a, you know, you set a casserole.
Is that what this is for? I mean, we're just making this up as we go.
I don't know. I think that's what, I mean, I think you can use them for that.
We're going to. We know it's not made for sitting at the front door.
Right. Now, I mean, it might be a placemat, but those aren't.
Y'all remember those back in the day? You went over to the spigot, turned it on?
Yeah. Old time farmhouse cooking.
Yeah.
Log cabin cooking.
Yes, ma'am. I'll take chocolate pecan.
And how much would you like?
Probably, I don't know, what's the sizes you
Well,
said?
quarter pound's the smallest that we do with one flavor. That's gonna be a square, something about like that right
That'll
there.
work. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
That's Pappy's restaurant, but it's for sale. And then these look like they used to be little cabins that people could rent right here. Little gazebo area. Looks like they might have, oh, they do have some animals over there as chickens. Let's go see their chickens. She's coming to say hey. Hey there.
She said my sister lived at your house.
This is another store in here. It's the only one we got to go into last time because these other ones weren't open. But when you go around the back, what?
I'd rather have a couple of these put on the front porch.
The whole family can fit.
Me eat my fudge. It ain't big, folks. I'll grow into this thing if you give me a minute.
It gets a little creepy up here because there's a lot of, you know, fake people like him.
These folks are not real.
No. There's all this seating back here, swings, a bunch of porch swings.
It looks like, man, it's a good little spot. I mean, if they'd opened up a little town, I'd come down here and be the mayor.
Look at that old Dr. Pepper sign. I mean, that's old.
Yes, it is.
Is the fudge good?
It is. I gotta be honest with you, it really is good.
Is this, I think this is a dentist. Is it an old dentist chair?
Oh, I don't know. I was gonna get my hair cut.
I think it's dentist because it's got that head back. You know, you lay your head back. Look.
What that dude over there supposed to be the barber?
The one that took his wig off.
Can't you see him get up off that chair? Not today, but
No.
I'll be honest with you, this could be a really good place if they would come back in here and start putting a little update to it. You take that little restaurant right over there. I could see that being like
a family buffet style,
buffet.
you know?
I could see it having some fish, you know.
And catfish. Yes.
A lot of good things.
Chicken tenders, cheeseburgers, grilled cheese. We're getting hungry.
Grilled cheese.
We're getting hungry.
I could see grilled cheese being in there.
Buckwheat pancakes.
Oh, yes, that's the one that has the.
Seeds.
You can. We make this at the
I
mill.
kind of see it. Yeah,
we
I
make
see the
these
seeds.
at the mill, so I know it's
Okay.
got seeds in it.
Yeah.
Have we ever tried green tomato relish?
I don't think so. You want?
Yeah,
you
let's try that. Yeah. Sweet tea, candies, peach bites. We keep saying we need to come and try this whenever they're open. It's a historic diner, open since 1931. Hole in the wall. Also, that farmer's daughter. We never make it here in time for that store either. We got this scented chewing gum.
It's scented.
What does that even
We
mean?
don't even know what that means, everybody.
Let me show it to
Is
them
it
real
something
quick.
in the old days?
I'm not
Y'all tell
sure.
us if y'all have tried that before.
8 pieces of chewing gum, fragrance that refreshes after eating. Maybe it scents your mouth up. Like, it's not scented. It's meaning it's gonna make your breath scented. Oh, here. Is it grape flavored? I mean, what is
Might be
it?
something I need after I get through speaking at a church. I'll be like, hold on just a minute before we visit after church.
Wait for me. He always goes before me. 1, 2, 3.
It's not scented because I'm smelling it right now, and all I smell is the barbecue sauce.
It tastes like toilet bowl cleaner.
Folks, it does. Yeah.
Do not. Here, you can just, nobody's gonna be eating that. We'll just put it right back in that box.
Folks, that right there's got an unusual taste.
It seriously tastes like toilet bowl. You know them little,
It tastes kind of like what it smells like with those little scum things that's supposed to clean out your toilet. Yeah. You've smelled those before?
the little blue thing you drop in the back and it
Something
flushes
like
your water
that.
blue.
This may be meant for like people that's almost got like a sewage smell to them. Hold on, brother.
That's terrible.
Scent your breath
The
before we
lady-
speak anymore.
The lady that works there didn't even know what it was about.
No, she told us. The lady that worked there told us she didn't know what it was. all
After
about.
eating, this is definitely, maybe, was this like the first chewing gum ever invented before they
I believe
knew?
it was. Yeah, that's the
Before
first
they
one.
knew they needed to make it taste good.
Better get some spearmint or some big red
Yeah,
or juicy
cinnamon.
fruit, buddy.
Some cinnamon up in there. No joke. That tastes like how
Yeah, that's not good.
how
folks.
them little things you put in the toilet smell. $1.49. Can you go put these up?
My pajamas.
Yeah, you can wear those
Where are
tomorrow.
my new pajamas?
Hmm?
Where are my new pajamas?
They're in the closet. Put those in the closet too.